This is Kevin with Connect Now. In our last video, I showed you how to build a sequence using the Connect Now web dashboard. Now we're going to show you how you can apply that sequence to a lead as it comes in. So when a lead comes in, if you're on the web interface, you can simply click on the pop-up box and it opens up the lead card. On the lead card, you'll notice that in addition to the text, email, and phone icons that you've seen previously, there's now a fourth icon with a little gear in the button, and that indicates that a sequence is available. If we press this icon, it will open up a window that asks us if we want to add a sequence. We simply click Add, and we get a drop down of all the sequences that are available to us. We're going to use the initial claim, email, and text sequence that we built in our last video, and we need to select the start time, which if you simply click on the calendar and hit apply, it will use the current date and time. Hit save, and now that sequence has begun. We can see that there are 5 steps to the sequence, and if we hover over each of these windows, you'll see a preview of what is being sent out to the prospective client. Once a step has been completed in the sequence, it will change from white to dark. And when a person responds to one of your messages, you'll see the pop-up box that shows that an email has come back in from our prospect, LaShonda. And if we click on that email box, we can see the chain of the correspondence. Here is our initial email that went out to LaShonda and her response asking when can she see this apartment. If we go back and look at our sequence once again, we'll see now that because LaShonda responded, that the sequence was terminated at the date and time that the email was received. Once again, using sequences is a way to help you automate the follow-up with your prospective buyers in order to maximize the agent's time and convert more leads into sales. If you have any questions on how to use sequences, please reach out to us at support@connectnowinc.com or visit our website, www.connectnowinc.com, and look for our articles and videos on our support page that tell you all about sequences.